Military dog handlers. What's the most surprising thing your canine partner has done? My canine Rex solved a murder case by accident during a routine explosives training exercise. We were practicing at an abandoned warehouse district when Rex suddenly went off script, pulling me toward a dumpster that wasn't part of our training area. He was showing his alert behavior, ears forward, tail rigid. I figured there was some old explosive residue tripping him up. Instead, when I looked inside, I found a sealed trash bag. Thinking it might be drugs, I called it in. Turned out to be bloody clothes connected to a local homicide from 3 months prior. The suspect had been careful everywhere else, but apparently thought a random dumpster miles from the crime scene was safe. The detective called me later laughing in disbelief. The clothes contained DNA evidence that immediately linked to their prime suspect,